Welcome back to tutorial 7 in the series. This one will probably be the smallest tutorial in terms of length. Here we'll see how time is handled and as well as visit user management. Click on settings. Navigate to issues, then to time tracking. Here by default, the default unit for time tracking is in terms of minutes. Click Edit Global Settings. I have found that it is convenient to have the default unit as hour. We can use the default unit as minute, hour, day, and a week. I found that using hour is the most convenient one. We'll see the benefit of it when we visit tutorial 8, that is a sprint execution, and we talk about logging work in that tutorial. Now, quickly seeing uh, user management, go back to settings. Here, click on user management. Give the details of the users and invite to create new users. Well, great job for coming along this far. We are done with all the various settings that we had in mind. And the next tutorial is where we will see all the action, that is sprint planning, execution, and closure. Thanks for joining.